Apple's iOS 18 is finally here, and it's packed with a lot of new features and enhancements that are sure to excite iPhone users. As the tech world gears up for the arrival of iOS 18, excitement is only mounting. From major design changes to AI-powered capabilities, iOS 18 represents a significant leap forward for Apple's mobile operating system. In this video, we'll dive into the key innovations, exciting features, and what you can expect from iOS 18. Before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's begin. One of the most significant changes in iOS 18 is the introduction of customization options for the home screen. Users can now freely arrange app icons and widgets anywhere within the grid, giving them more control over the look and feel of their device. This feature has been a staple of Android for years, and it's great to see Apple finally embracing the concept of user-customizable home screens. Another notable change is the ability to change the color of app icons and widgets to match your wallpaper or personal preference. This feature extends to dark mode, allowing icons to automatically adjust as your iPhone enters dark mode or stay in a specific color scheme. These customization options make your iPhone feel more personalized and tailored to your individual style. The Control Center has also received a major overhaul in iOS 18. Users can now access a gallery of available controls, resize them to their liking, and even group related controls together for easier access. The Control Center also supports controls from third-party apps, giving you more flexibility in managing your device's functions. One of the most exciting features in iOS 18 is the integration of Apple Intelligence.
So by the end, we will have Apple Intelligence and it will be turned on.
A powerful AI-based system that enhances various aspects of the user experience. Apple Intelligence will soon offer capabilities such as helping with writing emails and documents, searching and organizing files and photos, and carrying out tasks. This feature is set to revolutionize how users interact with their iPhones, making everyday tasks more efficient and streamlined.
Better is if you're typing out a message, then highlight part.
The Messages app has also received a significant upgrade in iOS 18. Users can now use text effects for specific words in their messages, with options like big, small, shake, nod, explode, ripple, bloom, and jitter. Additionally, there are new formatting options similar to those found in Google Docs or Microsoft Word, allowing users to bold, underline, strike through, or italicize text. The tapback system in Messages has also been enhanced, enabling users to react to messages with a wider range of emojis or stickers. Another notable feature is the ability to schedule messages for later delivery, making it easier to manage conversations and ensure important messages are sent at the right time. The Photos app has undergone a redesign in iOS 18, with collections that automatically organize the library by topic. Users can pin their favorite collections or further customize them to suit their preferences. The app also introduces a filter button that allows viewing by specific media type, favorites, or other views, helping to reduce clutter and make it easier to find specific photos or videos. One of the most anticipated features in iOS 18 is the new standalone Passwords app. Previously, passwords were hidden away in the Settings app, making them less accessible. With the new Passwords app, users can easily access and manage their passwords, as well as set up verification codes for two-factor authentication. It is because Apple has long been at the forefront of user privacy. iOS 18 also brings improvements to Siri, Apple's virtual assistant. Apple has been steadily enhancing Siri and other AI-driven elements within iOS over the years, and iOS 18 promises to take this to the next level. While the initial release won't include the AI upgrade, future updates will enable Siri to handle more complex questions, remember previous conversations, and assist with a wide range of tasks. Users will be able to ask Siri to locate specific messages, pictures, or files, making it easier to find important information quickly. Battery life improvements are always a key concern with any new iOS update, and iOS 18 is expected to introduce smarter power management. Whether it's through improved background app management or AI-driven optimizations that learn your usage patterns and adjust settings accordingly, the goal will be to extend the time users can go between charges without compromising on performance.
And at the bottom, I'll see this hidden folder tile here. So if I just tap.
Another notable feature in iOS 18 is the ability to lock or hide apps behind Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. This ensures that sensitive or private apps can only be accessed by the device owner, providing an extra layer of security and privacy. The hiding feature goes a step further by completely removing the app from the app library and search results, making it virtually invisible to others.
One of the biggest new changes and features in this huge release.
iOS 18 also introduces several other updates and new features, such as live audio transcriptions, maps enhancements, tap to cache in Wallet, the ability to adjust the beam width of the flashlight, and the option to restart the phone from the control center. These features may seem small, but they add up to create a more polished and user-friendly experience.
You can use satellite connectivity in an emergency to contact emergency services.
One of the most significant changes in iOS 18 is the introduction of messages via satellite. This feature allows users to send messages to anyone, even without a cellular signal, by utilizing satellite connectivity. This is particularly useful for outdoor enthusiasts or those who find themselves in areas with poor network coverage. While similar to the emergency SOS via satellite feature introduced in the iPhone 14 and 15 series, messages via satellite offers a more practical application for everyday communication.
Apple announced that RCS messaging would be making its way to iOS.
iOS 18 also brings RCS, Rich Communication Services, support to the Messages app. This means that iPhone users can now enjoy features like delivery and read receipts, as well as higher resolution photos and videos when messaging with Android users. This is a welcome change that improves cross-platform communication and brings the Messages app closer to feature parity with other popular messaging platforms. Lastly, it's impossible to ignore mentioning performance in major iOS update. With each iteration of iOS, Apple strives to make the system faster and more responsive, even on older devices. iOS 18 will likely continue this tradition, offering speed boosts, quicker app launches, and smoother animations. iOS 18 is a significant update that introduces a wide range of new features and enhancements. From home screen customization and AI-powered capabilities to improved messaging and security features, iOS 18 offers something for everyone. As users begin to explore the new update, it's clear that Apple has put a lot of effort into making the iPhone experience even better. With the promise of more AI-driven features in the near future, iOS 18 sets the stage for an exciting new chapter in the evolution of Apple's mobile operating system. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.